Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another unboxing video. This is coming from Etekcity. The future is here for smart appliances. This is really cool. Smart light bulb, LED, soft white, dimmable light bulb. Well, there's the cost efficiency. Costs about $1. And App Store, Google Play. We got Amazon and Google. 9 watts, 2.4, 120. Really nice. So hopefully this is gonna be easy one to install, and we'll see how it sets up. So you have to download the VSync app, and that's really easy to set up. I showed you guys in the other unboxings, and I'll show you guys again. Let's take a look at this bulb. I did ask for 3, so they sent me 3 because my bathroom has 3 bulbs. So we'll hook these all up and show you guys what they do. It's pretty light, but this is what it looks like. Pretty cool. Here we go. And then got the manual online stuff, and that's about it for that. So yep, smart LED manual right here, quick start. It's pretty much just go on Google or your iOS store and download VSync, or you can scan it with the QR code. Choose, really easy to do. I got my second phone right here to set it up, and this is the Galaxy. So this is what the VSync right here. Take a second. Come on. There it goes. See, that's all the outlets I've installed already. 1 through 6. The smart scale. And we're going to do the light bulb. So you just got to add that right here. And find it where it says lightning. And this will be this one, I believe, on top. So I'm going to have these set up in the bathroom. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are. Got the bulbs all put in. Right now it's turned off. Got 3 right up top. And I'm going to turn my switch on. Whoa, that is bright. Alright, it's going to say add to device. Right there. I click on that. And go to Wi-Fi settings, and you're going to look for them. I got one of them. Okay, now it's going to be loading one of them up. Hopefully the light is not too bright for you guys. There it goes. Almost there. Okay. Call that number 1. Next. Okay, we're gonna go add another one. Two. Same thing, and that's going to be connecting in the second. That'd be too loud. There we go. And I'm at 9%. So about, there it goes. So that's going to be number 2. Yeah, this is an easy one to install for the Etekcity. Okay, so that's number 2. Too legit. And then we're going to do one more. Number 3. Yeah, this is super easy, guys, to do. Just gotta find a lighting bulb, and it's called the Etekcity Soft White Bulb, ESL 100. Gotta enter my password again for my router. Once that goes in there, it's gonna tell you to select the last Wi-Fi setting, and that's to be the smart LED bulb. That's going to connect it. Then you go back to the app. Then it's going to check the Wi-Fi, and now it's connecting. So the middle one will be flashing in about 2 seconds. And that's where I'm going to know that they're hooked up. And I'll show you the app in a second. So there it goes. Yeah, I like the white color. It's nice. You guys can see it. So hopefully it's not too bright for you guys, but it looks pretty good here. Okay, number 3 is set. I hope I could group them all together once. That'd be kind of cool. Okay, 1, 2, and 3 is good. Go to more. Okay, I could do Alexa setting. So the bulb. You can set a timer, the brightness. See? Like this. Shut it off. Turn it on. And yeah, that's about it. So I'll show you what it looks like. I don't want to show the bathroom, but here we go. That's what it looks like right there. See, it has a little lamp right there with the bulb, and you can control it. So this is really easy to set up. So definitely a great Father's Day gift and normal Christmas gift, birthdays. This would be in a lot of homes in the future. So might as well start getting used to them. All you gotta do is click the link and save some money. Get a couple for yourself. YouTubers, be safe. Etekcity, thank you guys for sending me this. And see you guys soon, YouTube. See ya.